we have this noise which gives you a relaxing sense. Earlier today, I was walking by, I saw a salon. No, thank you. E-cleaning salon. I hope I can find it. And I promised the lady that I will return. First time in my life, I am going to have an e-cleaning spa here in Shenzhen, right on Dongmen Pedestrian Street. Let me see what I can get. Let me see. She said it will cost like 80 RMBs, which is roughly 12 US dollars. Let's go. It was this salon. Let me check. Now I'm going to have a cleaning spa with a young lady. This store here. Now I am having an e-spa here in Shenzhen on Dongmen Pedestrian Street. Let me see how it's going to end up. I am scared a bit. Okay. Giving a massage. Can I see that one too? Can I see it too?
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Oh my goodness. It looks horrible. Okay. Oh. I'm checking. Oh, good. Yeah, this is the final stage of ear cleaning. It was relaxing. It was good. I was scared a bit, but it was fine. Yeah, that's good. And at the end, you have this natural noise which gives you a relaxing sense. Wow. Trying to encourage the customers.
You do, I come. Okay. I come and pay.
Now getting an ear massage. Wow. Thank you, Shishi. Wow, that was quite something. I thought it was going to take 10 minutes, but it took 40 minutes to finish both ears. I mean, they were not so dirty, but I just wanted to test it. Okay? It took time to go through all this process, and it was very good. And it cost 80 RMBs, roughly 12 US dollars. So I can only recommend. Wow, that was great. So I'm done. I feel much better than before. It gives you a relaxing sense. And a 40 minutes ear spa here on Dongmen Pedestrian Street in Shenzhen Slow District comes to an end. Now I have to leave. So, thank you. Well, all is done. Thank you, Shishi. Thank you. This is the date. Wow. The date 1890 when they opened this clinic, I would say, symbolizing it. Thank you, Shishi. Thank you. Wow, that was quite something interesting. I am leaving Dongmen Pedestrian Street in Shenzhen Slow District, heading to Fujian District to see the light show. So the ear cleaning spa was great. I feel much better, more relaxed. I mean, it was good. Only recommend. I was a bit scared. In Europe, you see, the doctors, they conduct this kind of processes. But here, they are trained. They are not doctors, but they are trained to do this kind of cleaning and the treatment of the ears. All right, now it's time to move on. It's time to move to another spot.